Welcome back to our channel TechTube everybody, where we post tech related videos. And in today's tech video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can change aspect ratio on Midjourney. Now it's pretty simple, so follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you guys. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel TechTube, hit that subscribe button. And for those people who do not know what Midjourney is a text to image creating AI which is available in Discord. Alright, so that's the short version of it. Now if you want to create an image with different aspect ratio, what you want to do is create the image first. So I have over here created an image using Midjourney, as you guys can see. But let's say I want to change the aspect ratio of it. What I can do is first I need to click on this little search icon at the bottom and write /setting. Once I see settings over here, I can click on it and I can press on enter. Once I do that, all the setting will open up over here. Now over here, what you want to do is make sure you're on the version MJ version 3. Make sure this is green and make sure the remix mode is turned on. Click on remix mode. Once you do that, scroll up and go to the image whose aspect ratio you want to change. So let's say I want to change the aspect ratio of this. Now what I can do is just click on the variation. So let's say I want to create variation of this bird. I can click on V1. Over here, what you want to do is this, and write AR space. Now then over here enter the aspect ratio. So the aspect ratio I want is 16:9. So I'm going to write 16:9 and click on submit. Once you do that, wait for some time and it's going to start remixing it. So let's wait until the remix is done. And once the remix is done, it's going to be shown to you in a different aspect ratio. Now from like this 4 version, choose the one which you want. So I want this version, so I'm going to choose U3 because it's in grid 3, 1, 2, 3. And then scroll a bit down and it should be recreated like this in the new aspect ratio you want. Now you can download it and then use it in whichever place you want. So that's it. Hope you guys understand the video. Hit that subscribe to our channel TechTube and bye bye.